Hi, I'm Ron Gonzalez, President and CEO of the Hispanic Foundation of Silicon Valley, and proud to say that I was also the mayor of San Jose from 1999 to 2006. I'm lucky to have been a product of this valley. While I was born in San Francisco, I was raised right here in Santa Clara County. Went to local public schools and public high schools, just like you're going to now. My first 2 years at De Anza Community College in Cupertino, and then my second 2 years at the University of California at Santa Cruz, where I majored in community studies, a liberal arts degree that covered political science, history, civic planning, and it was just a great experience. I'm very proud of the fact that I was the first in my family to have graduated from college, and I really want to encourage you to do the same. Whether you're the first or the last, it's so important to go to college. It will be the foundation upon which you build your career and, most importantly, your life. So one of the values that my parents instilled in their 5 children was the importance of using some part of your life to improve the lives of others. And so I've pursued different careers to do that. And certainly in political life, having been the mayor of San Jose, I had the opportunity to improve the quality of life for our residents here in San Jose. But I couldn't have done that without a strong education, without a strong career. So as I've developed my career, I've always looked for ways to carry out that vision of life that my parents instilled in us. And that is the importance of working to improve the quality of life of others. And I'm still doing that today, and I'm sure I'll do it for the rest of my life. It's my honor to introduce the second day of our virtual College Day of 2020. Today we focus on elementary school curriculum.